Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will be having demonstration for guess the number game in Python. In the previous video, we had it for C. You can check out in the I button. Okay, so here is a demonstration for guess the number in Python. First of all, let's get us some hints that we know how do we import the random. Okay, this package will be importing. Then how do we generate the random number? Randint is the function of the random which we will be using 0 to 10, and we'll be using while loop for getting the C thing, getting the loops for the thing. Okay, counting the chances and all. So this is the sample output as number guessing game. I have to choose a number between 0 to 20, and then the rest things higher, lower, and congratulations, you guessed it. Or if you got 5 chances, you haven't guessed it, the number is this. Okay, so this is how we do. This is our output, how we're going to get. Okay, so now let us go to IDE so that we can get the code. So here I have opened ideally. So here let's start. So as I said, we will be starting it by importing a random module. Okay, so this is the random module which will help us to generate the random number and the functions which we'll be using for random number. And we will say that this is number guessing game. Okay, so this is number guessing game, and we will generate the random number. So let's say number is equals to random randint. Okay, number randint from 0 to 20. Okay, so this will generate random number between generate number between 0 to 20 है ना. Now let's create a variable chance. Okay, this variable will be useful in the loop. Okay, that increasing the chances by 1. Okay, like 0th chance, first chance, second chance, third chance, and the fourth chance. That will be 5 chances. We will see. Then we'll be printing like I have chosen a number between 0 to 20 which you must guess, है ना, which you will be guessing. So now we will start with the loop. Okay, we will have a while loop which will be used to count the chances and entering the guess. Okay, and entering the guess. So let's start. While chances is greater than, is greater than 5, it's less than 5, then what? Then enter the guess. Guess is equals to, it will be of course an integer. We will get the input from the user and we will say that enter the guess. Okay, enter the guess. We will tell him to enter the guess. Now let's start getting into the conditions, like if it chooses the, or if he guesses the correct number, greater than, less than, not in range. Okay, so if he guesses the number, guess the number, okay, then we will print. So if the guess which is made by the user is equals to number, if both are equal, then we'll print that congratulations, you won, or you guessed. Let's say you guessed it. Okay, you guessed it. So this is, and we will be okay, and we will break the statement, of course, because we don't want to get into another or the next loop. No, we don't want to check the another condition. We just need to say yes, bye, thank you, you guessed it. So break it. Then we will say for if if that is, if number is not in between 0 to 20. So if then elif the condition that guess is less than 0 or logical OR operator similar to C, and guess is greater than 20. If this is the case, then what we need to print, that I said the number is between 0 to 20, है ना, 0 to 20. Try again. Okay, try again and let it be. We don't need a break statement, we need to get to next state or next condition also. So again, if number is bigger or number is lower, the guessed number by the user is lower, then what will say, elif guess is less than number, guess is lower, guess is less than number, then what, then we'll print your guess was too low, guess a number higher than what you have guessed. So higher than guess, okay, higher than guess. Then for a number, if the number which is guessed by the user is higher, the same loop will be copied, like elif if guess is greater than the number that is generated, then we'll say your guess is too high. Okay, guess is too high, guess a number lower than that, lower than the guess what you have made, lower than the lesser than the number that you have guessed. Okay, so this is for higher, lower, and the number between. Now done. No, now we'll increase the chances, like chances plus equals to 1. Okay, it will increment from 0, we have initialized it to 0, it will run everything. The first is 0 is less than 5, it will get in, then it will increment to 2, again 2 is less than 5, again for 3, 4, and then when it will come to 4, the last loop, then we will have 5. Okay, 5 will not run because it is 5 is equals to 5, not less than 5, so it will move out. So now break statement will take it to the end of the program. But now what if 5 chances are over, still the user is not able to guess? So for checking if the user guessed, okay, for checking this will check whether the user have guessed or not. So if user was not able to guess it in 5 chances, if he was not able to, or user was not able to guessed in 5 chances, then we will print you have had 5 chances, or let's say tries, and failed, and failed, and we will reveal the number. The number was whatever the number what the generator has generated, so we will say number. Okay, so this is how it works. Let us save it and run our code. Okay, so then this is what chances is not defined. CHAN previous. Oh, okay, so we have chances, not chance. Is there anything? Okay, let's run it again. Yes, we need to save it. Let's see. Okay, this is the number guessing game. I have chosen a number between, okay, number between 0 to 20, which you must guess. Enter the guess. Let's say 5. It's too lower than that, it's too high, lower than that, so it is between 0 to 5. Let's say 2, it's higher than that, That means it is between 2 to 5. Let's say 3. Higher than that, 4. So congratulations, you have guessed it. Okay, let us run one more time. Let's see. Does it generate another number? Okay. So enter the guess. Let's say 10. It's higher than. It's too low. Higher than. Let's say 15. It's lower than. So it is between 10 to 15. Let's say 6 for getting that. I haven't tried it in 5 chances. Higher than that, 8. Let us say. Let us give 11. So you guessed, your guess was too low. Guess the number higher than 11. Okay. So you have 5 tries and failed, and the number was 14. Okay. The number is revealed. Okay. This is how this works. Okay. So this is your number guess game. Simple Python program in which we have used while loop and the random module which you might have studied. Okay. So I'll say thanks for watching. Okay, you can get the solution, the code for this particular problem on my GitHub, which is down in the description. Comment down me any topic or any problem that you need. I'll make a video or I will mail you the solution for that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down the topics. Okay, thanks.